If you're encountering a payroll error on Ceridian 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Identify the error code. Check the specific error code displayed on your Ceridian system. This code will help you understand the nature of the payroll error and guide you in finding the right solution. Step 2. Review employee data. Examine the employee records associated with the payroll error. Ensure that all necessary information such as hours worked, pay rates, and deductions is accurately entered and up to date. Step 3. Check payroll settings. Access the payroll settings in Ceridian and verify that all configurations are correct. This includes tax settings, pay periods, and any special adjustments that may affect payroll calculations. Step 4. Run a payroll simulation. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after completing the previous steps, reach out to Ceridian support for assistance. Provide them with the error code and details about the issue for more targeted help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payroll error efficiently. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from your payroll department or Ceridian support.